Hi, this is Mark. This is English Conversation Practice.
10 questions and answers. In part 1, questions with examples. In part 2, you answer the questions with your own experiences. Questions. What is your favorite type of cuisine? What is your favorite type of cuisine? My favorite cuisine is Italian. What is your signature dish? What is your signature dish? My signature dish is chicken pot pie. Do you prefer cooking at home or eating out? Do you prefer cooking at home or eating out? I prefer cooking at home. Are there any foods you don't like? Are there any foods you don't like? I don't like fish eggs. What is your go-to comfort food? What is your go-to comfort food? My go-to comfort food is a casserole. Have you ever tried making sushi? Have you ever tried making sushi? I've tried making sushi, but it was difficult. Do you follow any cooking shows? Do you follow any cooking shows? Yes, I follow Chopped. What is the most exotic dish you've ever eaten? What is the most exotic dish you've ever eaten? I've eaten crickets before. Are you allergic to any food? Are you allergic to any food? Yes, I'm allergic to kiwi fruit. How often do you go out to eat? How often do you go out to eat? I go out to eat about once a week. Part 2. Don't stop now. Answer the questions. What is your favorite type of cuisine? My favorite cuisine is... What is your signature dish? My signature dish is... Do you prefer cooking at home or eating out? I prefer... Are there any foods you don't like? I don't like... What is your go-to comfort food? My go-to comfort food is... Have you ever tried making sushi? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Do you follow any cooking shows? Yes, I follow. No, I don't. What is the most exotic dish you've ever eaten? I've eaten... Are you allergic to any food? No, I'm not. Yes, I'm allergic to... How often do you go out to eat? I go out about once a week. I go out about twice a week. I go out about 3 times a week. I go out about 4 times a week. I go out about 5 times a week. I go out about 6 times a week. I go out every day. I never go out to eat. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe. And please ring that bell to get all my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And I have a website, markkulek.com. There you can download worksheets and flashcards. And also, I have a Patreon page. There you can download worksheets that we do in our live stream classes. So please check out my Patreon page and my website, markkulek.com. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.